AWS AI is revolutionizing business automation, transforming how companies operate. Imagine systems that learn and adapt, making decisions faster than ever. This isn't just tech talk, it's a game changer for enterprises worldwide. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Generative and agentic AI from AWS are reshaping industries. These tools automate complex processes, allowing businesses to focus on innovation. The impact is profound, with smarter decisions made in real time. The AWS Model Context Protocol is pivotal in enterprise transformation. It connects AI models seamlessly, enabling a unified approach to automation. This protocol is the backbone of modern AI integration. AWS AI Foundation services are the building blocks of modern automation. They offer capabilities that transform data processing, making it faster and more efficient. These services are essential for any forward-thinking business. Amazon Recognition and Comprehend revolutionize data analysis. They automate tasks that once took hours, providing insights in minutes. This efficiency saves companies significant time and resources. AWS Machine Learning Infrastructure offers cost benefits that are hard to ignore. With scalable solutions, businesses reduce development costs and time to market. It's a smart investment for any enterprise. Pre-trained models like Amazon Textract deliver immediate value. They digitize documents with high accuracy, streamlining processes. This capability enhances efficiency and customer satisfaction. Amazon Code Whisperer transforms software development. By suggesting code snippets, it accelerates coding speeds and improves quality. Developers can focus on innovation rather than routine tasks. Amazon Fraud Detector enhances security in financial services. It identifies suspicious transactions in real time, reducing fraud. This tool is crucial for maintaining trust and compliance. AWS AI integrates smoothly with platforms like Salesforce and SAP. This seamless connection enhances workflow efficiency and data accessibility. Businesses can leverage existing systems while adopting new AI capabilities. Real-time data processing with Amazon Kinesis is transformative. It enables businesses to analyze live data feeds, making informed decisions instantly. This capability is vital for dynamic industries. Security and compliance are paramount in AI implementations. AWS provides robust features to ensure data protection and regulatory adherence. This assurance is critical for enterprises in regulated sectors. Amazon Bedrock simplifies custom AI application development. It provides access to foundation models, enabling tailored solutions. Businesses can innovate without the complexity of managing infrastructure. Data privacy and security are maintained with Bedrock. Companies can fine-tune models with proprietary data securely. This ensures compliance while delivering high-performance applications. Real-world examples of Bedrock in action showcase its potential. From fraud detection to clinical documentation, Bedrock empowers diverse industries. Its impact is both broad and profound. Autonomous agents handle complex workflows independently. They analyze, decide, and act without constant oversight. This capability transforms traditional automation into intelligent systems. Multi-step reasoning enables strategic planning. AWS Agentic AI evaluates multiple variables, creating comprehensive action plans. This sophistication mirrors human strategic thinking. Self-healing systems reduce operational costs. They monitor and correct issues automatically, preventing disruptions. This proactive approach enhances efficiency and reliability. AWS Model Context Protocol standardizes AI communication. It simplifies integration, reducing technical complexity. This framework allows seamless interaction between AI models and applications. Assessing AI readiness and phased deployment are crucial. By strategically implementing AWS AI, businesses achieve measurable results. Embrace this transformation to unlock efficiency and innovation.